This YouTube of mine is about the world of Newar Buddhists. As you must be knowing, Newars are the ancient inhabitant of Kathmandu Valley, and Kathmandu Valley had been a venue for development and spreading of Buddhism in neighboring countries. Especially the writing and copying activities of different sutras, dharnis, and stotra had been the prominent activities in those olden days. Several manuscripts written in Sanskrit are found here which are not available elsewhere. Pali and Sanskrit were the languages prevalent in those days when the teaching of Buddha came in writing. Having said that, Newars have varieties of culture and tradition which had their base in Mahayana Buddhism. Before they become extinct, the Buddhists of the world should show their interest to preserve and practice as much as possible.